Hello everyone, welcome to SCI-EASE. In the last video, we discussed about fuel and its efficiency. Now in this video, we will learn about burning of fuel lead to harmful products. When this fuel that is burnt, that leads to large number of the harmful products which are not good for the plants as well as animals, including human being. Now the first is carbon fuels like wood, coal, petroleum. They release unburnt carbon particles which are very dangerous pollutants. In rural areas of our country, still wood is used as a fuel because of its easily available as well as of low cost. People use wood. But that leads to the formation of pollutants and smoke, etc., which leads to the respiratory diseases like asthma. Also, the forest, which gives us so much benefit due to this deforestation, the purification of the air, that is also affected. And you can say the cycle, that ecological balance, that is also disturbed. Now, this coal and petroleum, they are known as a fossil fuels. When fossil fuels are burned, they produces unburnt carbon particles. Why they are known as fossil fuels? Because they are formed from the remnants of the trees and the aquatic animals. Coal that is formed when the trees, they get buried for thousands of years under the earth crust. Petroleum that is formed when the aquatic animals and the plants, they die under this earth surface. Then they will, after thousands of years, they will change into the petroleum, crude petroleum. Okay. So second thing, that is incomplete combustion. What do you mean by this incomplete combustion? That is when there is insufficient amount of air or oxygen present, then the fuel, that is carbon fuel, that is not burnt fully. That will result in the formation of carbon monoxide when insufficient supply of air is there. And this carbon monoxide, it is a highly poisonous gas. Okay, when a person that is sleeping in the closed room with burning angeeti, then what is the result? The result may be fatal. The person may die. Why? Because he will start inhaling carbon monoxide instead of oxygen. Carbon monoxide, that will combine with hemoglobin because it has 300 times more affinity than oxygen. So carboxyhemoglobin, that will be formed instead of oxyhemoglobin. So that may harm a person. It's a very poisonous gas. Now, next is, we know that there is 0.03 to 0.04% carbon dioxide which is necessary for the photosynthesis process performed by the plants. But when more automobiles, more vehicles, they are on the road, then what is the result? Carbon dioxide is also formed, and the amount of the carbon dioxide, that will increase, and this will result in the global warming. This will result in the global warming. What do you mean by this global warming? That is the temperature of the atmosphere that will increase, and this will melt the polar ice, and it will result in the increase in the sea level and this is again very dangerous. Okay, this is also the harmful effect. Next is burning of coal and diesel that releases sulfur dioxide gas. And sulfur dioxide gas is very suffocating and corrosive gas. Petrol engines, they give off gaseous oxides of nitrogen. Okay, now nitric oxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, they are formed. Now these sulfur oxides, these are the acidic oxides, you can say. They will react with the rainwater. Okay, they will react with the rainwater and they will result in the formation of an acid, and this acid, it comes with the rainwater, that is known as acid rain, and it will corrode the buildings made up of marble, and also it is not good for crops. So this acid rain is also, you can say, the harmful product of burning of the fuel. So nowadays these diesel and petrol, etc., they are replaced by CNG, that is compressed natural gas, because it releases less harmful pollutants. It is known to be a cleaner fuel. So we should use this CNG in our vehicles instead of diesel and petrol in order to prevent our environment from pollution. You see that man himself is responsible for all this. One day there will be ecological crisis. So in order to prevent this environment, man should act responsibly. He should use the fuel judiciously, because these fossil fuels, they are not renewable, they are non-renewable. Means when we are using these petrol and diesel or petroleum products at this pace, one day they will be finished. We should think about the future generation also. So we should encourage the use of the renewable resources like wind, solar energy. Okay, that is why wind farms or solar panels, solar cooker, and they are encouraged. Solar geysers, they are encouraged because these sources, they are the renewable resources. Okay, with this, our chapter Combustion and Flame, in which we have read so many things about combustion, types of the combustion, then flame, its parts of the flame, and then about the fuel and its efficiency, and last, burning of the fuels that lead to the harmful products. With this, our chapter is finished. I will come in the next video with another chapter of class 8. Till then, thank you very much.